Hello, my dear friends. My name is Saurabh Ganguly, and welcome to my YouTube channels. My YouTube channel's name is Technical with the Saurabh Ganguly. Okay, so we will understanding in this video what is ultrasonic sensors and working principle of the ultrasonic sensors. Okay, so let's start. Uh, what is ultrasonic sensor? So ultrasonic sensor is that device, electronic device. It has a two sensing device. The first one receiver, second one is transmitters. So it's have a two sensing points, we can say sensing points, and it has a four digital pins, VCC 5.5. First one is VCC 5.5 5.0, and second one is ground, third one is triggers, fourth one is receiver pins. Okay, so that ultrasonic sensor do work based on the Gilter words and whale fish. So we can understand Gilter words on whale fish. Like this whale fish is in the waters. Okay, or Gilter birds flying in the air. Okay, so the Gilter birds and ultra whale fish is working the this birds and fish, sending the sounds waves and receiving with touching of other obstacles and objects, then detect of this value, and this is working, this is work on this principles. So the ultrasonic sensor is working principle related to this gilterverse and whale face. Okay, so the ultrasonic sensor send the emission of ultrasonic waves from the trigger points forward to object obstacles, and after some times echo echo and receivers, and echo will detect ultrasonic waves which bounce back from the objects of articles. Then it will measuring and calculating of the distance and times duration, and then it information will tell to the model, then model will decision that what will do its. Okay, now this is a unique definition of ultrasonic sensor, but we are not satisfied. So now we are understanding deeply what is ultrasonic sensors. Okay, so next page, we go from next page, go for next page. Okay, so next page is a ultrasonic sensor. So it is a pictures of ultrasonic sensors. It is a name SR04 pin out. So the ultrasonic sensors, it's have a four pins. It has a four pins, VCC 5.0, and trigger pins, eco pins, and fourth one is ground pins. So the VCC and ground pins is used for the electricity and electronics, negative charge. The ground pin is used for the negative charge with the connect Arduino Uno boards, and VCC connect to VCC 5-volt pin on the Arduino boards, and trigger eco pins are used for the sensing process. So trigger is a sending sensors signals, and eco pins is receiver receiving from the signals of the signals from which are touching of this obstacles and objects. Okay, so now ultrasonic sensors is devices. uh, okay, so ground pins, so it is a ground pins, and uh, it is a eco pins, or it is a trigger pins, it is a VCC 5 pin. And trigger pins, eco pins is most important pins for the ultrasonic sensor connect to the Arduino Uno boards. Okay, so and it's have a two speaker types, eyes, but it is not a speaker, it is a sensing device. So it is a transmitter system transmitting, and it is a receivers. So then after the ultrasonic sensor will doing uh, the trigger pins, trigger pins what will doing the sensor signals sending and receivers receive of the signals. Okay, so now let's start second page. Okay, working principle of ultrasonic sensors. So working principle of ultrasonic sensors are very important, for the implementing of our project and the Arduino Uno boards. Okay, so we know that ultrasonic sensors working principles. Okay, okay. So now receivers. So we have this in this figures and pictures. So now, okay, this is using. Okay, so we have a 2 points, signal points, the transmitting and receiving. So this is a transmitting system, this is a receivers points, and the first one is transmitting, which doing the sends signals from the ultrasonic sensors to the forwards to the objects. It will going to the objects, uh, then original signals, and after some time reflecting signals go for the receiving point. Then after the the sensor, the ultrasonic sensor will calculating what is distance and time duration. So it is the main working principle of the ultrasonic sensor. Then ultrasonic sensor send to the calculating measuring of from the on the other objects to the module, for the module. Okay, so the main work of the ultrasonic sensor in this project is, it can detect, any object which it will do phased, uh, front of this sensors. Okay, now let's second page move. uh, Measuring, calculating of speed and time duration. So uh, we we will have to we will have measuring time duration and speeds. So I have a one formula for the calculating and measuring its types value. So uh, we know that we have one formula, speed. So speed of sound. So speed means 30 340 meter per seconds. And the speed is going 340 meter per second, and we will changing in the centimeters of this value. We will be equal to 0,034 centimeter per microseconds. Okay, so suppose that we have a obstacles or objects for the detecting. So our ultrasonic sensor placed this position, and then objects placed of distance between uh, 10 centimeters. Now we will calculating time duration and speeds. So by these formulas, so we will calculating by these formulas. Okay, so time, we want to calculate of the time. So time equal to distance upon speed. So distance is 10 meters, and speed 0,034 and equal to 294 microsecond. But it is a value, only one sides. And then we will have to calculating and second times. Okay, so we will have to measure distance and speed. So the it is process, its process its whole process will calculating and measuring the ultrasonic sensors. So ultrasonic sensor the mains used for the used for the detecting of the value the any obstacle, how many distance between ultrasonic sensor and other objects. Okay, so uh, it is a calculating process. It will very necessary for the using in implementing projects. Okay, so we will move next page. Next page is a use for ultrasonic sensor. So use for ultrasonic sensor, so this is you are seeing this positions, the ultrasonic detect other optical detecting. The ultrasonic sensors is detecting other objects like the cars and roads lights and other. So it is very used for the car modules and any others. Okay, such like this drone, it is very used in the drone, because in the drone it is very important. So the ultrasonic reflecting waves, so ultrasonics give the reflecting waves from the cameras, from the drones. Okay, so it will going to the surface, and then reverse going to the receiving. So it will calculating of this value. Then after drones will decision what will doing, and it will forward, it will go forward and stops. Okay, such like. So we have a we have a Arduino Uno votes and LED. So we will creating a projects or practicals in this next video, but it is a diagram. It is a circuit diagram. Some definition we can understand. It is main purpose. uh, if if my ultrasonic sensor, if our ultrasonic sensor okay, now next video understanding, but some videos for the understanding. um, if any other obstacles objects comes 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 to the ultrasonic sensor detect of of this object, and then the LEDs is blinking, and the obstacles is going from the Arduino ultrasonic sensor, then LED is switch off. So it is main used for the understanding. So we will next video creating a project, some small projects. Okay, so it is the ultrasonic sensors and how what is its working and principles and for users. So thank you my videos, and please like and share, subscribe. My YouTube channel is Technical with Saurabh Ganguly. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.